Guys, today we are going to be doing ice cube fidget spinner. With this fidget spinner, you have to take the bearing out for this. And I have Play-Doh and it's already prepared, so I'm going to make the mold with clay. Here, I'll show you. Like that. And then I'm just going to put it in and then I'll show you the mold after it's done. So, bye. Now I have the mold and the water inside of it, so I'm going to go put this in the freezer. And I will see you in tomorrow, the next morning. Okay, bye guys.